Welcome back. It's me, Sushma. If you guys have the magic science kit and don't know how to use it, you're in luck because I'm going to be doing another project from this kit. So we're going to be doing the test tube crystal ball. It's right over here. We're going to do it a little different because we're going to be using the instructions this time. So let's get started. What we will need from our kit is vegetable oil. It's right here. We'll also need some color tablets. We will need the test tube and stand. And these things are from our kit, but we need something that's not from our kit. Water. But we'll need warm water. That means hot. So let's get started. So we need to fill the test tube. If you guys are wondering what's a test tube, it's this little guy. It's a jar. So we need to fill half of the test tube with the vegetable oil. So let's do it. I think that's about enough. Whoa. The vegetable oils look yellow and look at those bubbles all over it. It is pretty slimy, but. Then, after that, we need to add some water to the test tube. Look how the oil sits on top, guys. Well, remember, it is hot water, so you only should put hot water. So let's pour it all the way to the... Whoa, guys, look at this. The water is on the bottom and the vegetable oil is on the top. That's cool. Now what we need to do is now drop a blue color tablet into the test tube. So let's do it. Blue, here we come. Here's our blue color tablet. Now we need to drop it in our experiment. Whoa! I have a feeling it's going to turn green because the vegetable oil is yellow and what we put is blue. Whoa, guys. Now what we need to do is screw on the cap of the test tube very tightly so that nothing happens. And then turn the test tube over and over a few times. Okay. Whoa! Guys, look at this. We still have the tablet in there if you can see. This is amazing. But you can still see the water's on the bottom and the oil's on the top. Now what? To rest the test tube on its cap. You just made a test tube crystal ball. Look at the enchanting swirling colors. It's kind of different colors because like this part is dark and then it gets lighter, 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 lighter. See how that is? I'm going to put in the cap. Then what we need to do is to use your crystal ball, think about what you want to know about the future. Do you want to know how well you'll do on a test or how well you will do in your soccer game? Concentrate until you can see yourself doing well on your test or scoring the winning goal. Only time will tell if you can predict the future. Well, I hope it works. Wait, guys. Look at that. When I did like this, do you see there's this kind of wave? And guys, even though it looks foamy, it looks so beautiful and so colorful. Don't eat it and don't touch it with your bare hands. Even if you want to touch it with your bare hands, wash your hands with soap and water. And also, if you don't want to wash your hands, instead put a glove on and you can touch it in. And I'm going to open up the cap and show how it looks like. Whoa, look, it looks like normal water, but the top is vegetable oil. This happens, the water is on the top and the oil is on the water's on the bottom and the oil's on the top. This happens because of density. And it's foamy on the top. Guys, I have a question for you guys, and I want you to comment down below what you think. Why is the vegetable oil soapy? Comment down below. Well, guys, this is going to be today's experiment. And thanks for watching. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn the notification bells. See you guys later. Bye. Test tube crystal ball.